Just wanted to quickly show you guys this gentle dog shampoo that I've been loving for my mini Dashie. This is a nice gentle shampoo like it says. It's infused with cucumber and aloe vera, and this formula specifically helps to cleanse sensitive dog skin and delicately coat it without stripping those essential oils, so which then in turn makes your dog all dandruffy and gross and all of that. So this one soothes, hydrates, and pampers your dog. It's made with good stuff. It's made without SLS, parabens, PEGs, everything like that. When you're washing your dog with this, you're going to just wash them like you normally would. Apply the shampoo, massage it in circular motions, making sure it gets really onto their skin. Let it sit for a few minutes. Make sure you don't get near like their eyes or nose or ear canals, and rinse thoroughly. Let them towel dry or shake it off, however you want to do it. It all depends on your doggy. But this is a really great shampoo for your pup.